That's what it says. Watch.
Oh, this is so awesome. The parallel parking and the new M5, guys. Whoa. This seems kind of sketchy, like a ghost is driving or something.
If it curbs my rims, I'm gonna kill it.
Oh, it's gonna curb.
No, it's good. It knows.
That's freaking crazy. What? Wow. What the? Look how clean that is. Wow.
And it puts it in park for you when it's done.
This thing is gnarly.
How retarded is this car, dude?
It's retarded.
It's like, I'm retarded.
What kind of kid buys an M5? Oh, this guy.
Hey, bro. What can I say? You know. What can I say? Making moves.
Big moves.
Yeah.
Big boy moves.
Yeah. Big body way.
What?
That's what this is.
Big body. What's her nickname?
Her nickname? I don't know. That's what I'm asking them in the comments.
Big booty hoe.
No, I said, what do I name the car?
Big booty hoe.
No, I'm thinking like maybe like Ronnie. Sounds very female. Doesn't it?
Let's go check it out, guys. Let's go check it out. I don't want to spill my coffee in this car, but let's check this thing out. Oh god. Soft close the doors?
Okay, so look, if you just leave the door like hanging open a little bit, like right here.
Yeah.
Like don't slam it.
Oh! Wait, I know what it does. I know what it does. It does it like the M5.
It like grabs it.
Yeah, it does it like the M5.
Just go like this.
Yeah, it does look like the
That's
M5.
crazy.
The F10 M5. Alright, so this is Graham's 2018, right?
Yeah. I'm sad. It's going to be outdated in like 6 months.
Oh, then he's going to buy another one.
Maybe.
This code. What's the color code name? Donington Gray? This thing is...
Bro, I'm not gay. I don't have a sunroof anymore. It's finally carbon.
You're gay.
No, I was.
You're still gay.
I
His
recently
M4.
converted. I recently converted.
From gay
See,
to
I
straight.
recently converted.
From gay to straight. Damn, this thing is nice. Should pop the hood. Full walk around, M5.
Trunk is retarded.
Oh.
Trunk is huge.
Let me see how many dead bodies can you put in here.
Probably about 5, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, you kick the what the? No dog running. You kick the back trunk down. It'd be good.
I've never opened the hood.
You've never opened the hood yet?
No.
Don't they open the hood when you get the car?
Nah,
No?
They don't treat me special, bro. I bought too many cars.
They treat me special. They open my car.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah. Oh, no pun intended. Damn, this car looks good. And then it's gonna go bye-bye for a couple of months for what is that called? R&D. Damn, that looks good. I'm gonna jump in the front seat. Check it out.
What time do you think I need
To Gym Pros? I would go like 10:30. So I got work at 10:30 anyways. Oh, damn, this thing is nice. Look at how big this wheel is. Okay, this looks like a rocket ship. Like nitrous 1 purge,
Yeah.
nitrous 2 purge. Yeah. Wait, how do you do this thing, Graham?
Oh, you got it!
What?
Here, wait. Turn it up. Wait.
How the hell do you do that?
Okay, look, you're skipping.
What?
Oh, fuck.
How do you do this crap? So these are like the gesture features on the car. I don't know what I'm doing, but
Fuck. This is weird.
See, I'm Asian, that's why I got it first try. He couldn't get it.
Yeah. Hold on. Huh? Oh no. Here. We'll just play FM. Okay.
Okay,
now,
so how
now
do you do this?
it. I don't know what it does.
Okay, so this is the gesture.
I don't know anything. Bro.
Oh, what's up?
Changes the station.
Oh, it changes the station, and then you can turn up the first try, bitch. What's up? Oh! I got the Asian touch.
Wait, do it again.
Wait, is that Despacito? God damn it.
Oh, do it again.
Oh, bitch, what's up?
I can't do it. I can't do it.
Why are we listening to Mexican music?
Because this is the Gardena M5.
That's fucking
with the black
racist,
wheels,
bro. Oh! So awesome.
Bro, you want to drive it really quick?
Can I?
Yeah.
You want to videotape?
No, I'm saying you want.
Yeah, videotape it. You got it. Just put it over there by my car. Okay, so I'm gonna drive this thing. That's so awesome. Hey, Graham, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Legal action against the company. MGM wants
1,
courts to
2,
declare it
3.
has no motion tips or also
And then you do this to like turn up the
brings
volume.
out the crowds.
One of the only areas
so
not
awesome.
under excessive
It's
heat
insane,
warnings is the
bro.
coast.
Hey,
And
can you do the middle finger gesture?
Extra
You
people
can make your own.
You can make your own, right? That's so cool.
You know,
Alright. What?
it's just like a regular M, dude.
Okay, I'm short as fuck.
Fucking. None of it works for me, man.
Because you're not Asian enough? Oh, dude, this is... Wow. Damn, I'm scared driving this thing.
Plot twist, it's actually Matsubi's car.
Plot twist? I wish. Hey, how do you drive this thing?
It actually has park, though. Is it in park?
Is it, no, it's out of park. Can I move this?
Oh, no, it's in park.
This?
Is it?
No, you just turned it on park, right?
Wait.
Because the red
Now-
is park.
Yeah. The fuck?
Guys, I'm a noob at this start,
The fuck?
right?
Okay, there you go.
I'm gonna move this just a bit, okay? So I don't wanna...
Dude, I don't care.
Because
It's
you're
a
driving
car.
it.
You act like it's like. Well, even
I
though
don't-
that's
well,
too explicit.
Because I take
to
care of
say on
people's
camera.
cars, that's why.
That's true. Unlike some people.
That's why you let me drive your car.
Unlike some people, bro.
Exactly. Okay, this is sketch. How do you drive this big ass bulky car?
It's
This
huge.
is a freaking tank,
It's
dude. And I
huge.
feel like a munchkin in it. So I can go up to 5,000, right? Oh
Yeah.
my god, that thing tightens up quick.
Yeah. Yeah, try to keep it at like 5,500.
That was 5 only.
Yeah.
Dude, the burble sound. Oh my god, this isn't even loud. I already know. You're gonna make it even louder.
Bro, it's retarded. It's stupid. A
Dude.
car this big should not be this fast.
What's 0-60 2.8 you said?
If you have the right tires, you can get it to 2.8. Yeah.
Dude, this is scary.
But
fast.
they advertise 3.4.
Yeah,
But you know what? 3.4 is already faster than like everything.
all the big bodied sedans.
On these tires, I believe it's 3.2. Look at the tachometer when you go up in RPMs.
I only look at 5. That's it.
No, just look in the center. Watch.
Oh,
what
in the
happens
center?
when you go up in RPMs. You don't have to go too fast. You can just like give it like you can just make it go. The tachometer is insane. It's like shift lights in the tachometer. Just look now. Go up slowly. Go up. Oh no, it's supposed to
in the
expand.
center. Yeah.
It
I see.
expands. Yeah.
It's like a race car setup. I love this thing.
I don't need a house anymore, dude. You just sit in
I'll
here.
just live in here.
Yeah,
this is
right.
super comfy. Wow.
It has massage.
Oh my god, the massage seats are freaking awesome.
I know.
Why do you need such a freaking crazy car like this?
You don't, bro. No one needs this. I would be perfectly fine with a Camry, but like,
God, this is awesome. Okay,
look, it's
Asian,
Asian boy.
Asian parallel park. You're not gonna parallel park.
The car will do it.
I'm just parking myself. I do it the original way, bro.
No,
But
okay.
not as professional as the damn
It's
thing. Oops.
yin and yang. Yin and yang in the driveway.
Dude, you should just do a video of it driving fast.
You gotta get a flyby video.
Yeah.
Pull away video.
Oh hell yeah. I'll pull away. That's
All
what
right,
she
can I,
said.
should I stop this one?
Yeah. You should I do a pull away video? That's it.
Wait, do the.
The rev? The rev?
Ah! I got him.
That's so sick, dude. I love this thing. This thing is awesome.
Oh shit!
Wait, 3 for 3?
Oh.
Fuck! What happened? I broke it?
I don't know. It's probably too confused. It's
Yeah.
Like, why are you skipping so much?
So cool! Oh, shit.
There's so many other things.